you're thinking of moving to Atlanta, Georgia, and you're looking for a 2-story townhome, 3-story townhome, or a single family home? Well, stay tuned because today we're gonna take you to an amazing master plan community in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Lawrenceville is an amazing city here in north part of Atlanta, very close to I-85, so easy access to I-85, which will take you straight to Atlanta. In today's video, we're gonna present Meritage Homes. This is Sweetwater Green community. This will be a gated community, 450 plus homes. They're gonna have 2-story, 3-story townhomes and single family homes for you. In today's video, we're gonna show you a 2-story townhome built by Meritage Homes, a 3-story townhome and a single family home. Now what's amazing about this community, prices are starting from $368,000. Now keep in mind, you have to add some upgrades from that price up, and each floor plan has a different price, of course. You're gonna have the 2-story townhome, 3-story townhome and single family homes. Sweetwater Green by Meritage Homes is going to have an amazing clubhouse, swimming pool, a green space, also a dog park, a beautiful playground for the kids. So gorgeous, beautiful amenities here in Sweetwater Green by Meritage Homes. Now, if you stick around until the end, I'm gonna share with you the best kept secret of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. And we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwannee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Lawrenceville, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're gonna take you to a master plan community in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Now this beautiful community is called Sweetwater Green. It's going to be a gated community. They're gonna have 450 plus homes, different models available. So as I said, 2-story townhomes, 3-story townhomes and single family homes. Now according to niche.com, Lawrenceville is number 4 most diverse places to live in Gwinnett County and number 4 most diverse suburbs in Georgia. Population of Lawrenceville is at 30,000 people and 48% actually own their home while only 52% rent. Median home price in May 2024 for a property that sold in Lawrenceville was at $420,000, while the average price home for a property that sold in Lawrenceville was at $444,000. So as you see, Lawrenceville is much more affordable compared to Milton, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Roswell, Sugar Hill, Suwannee. Lawrenceville is so much more affordable. You're gonna get so much more for your money. So make sure you contact us today if you're looking for a 2-story townhome, 3-story townhome or single family home. So what's amazing about this community, Sweetwater Green by Meritage Homes, they have a beautiful dog park here and it's all fenced. They have the garden right there, the pool, the playground, such an amazing master plan community. So if you want to live in this beautiful community, make sure you call us today so we can bring you here. They still have a lot of homes available. They do have single family homes and 2-story townhomes and 3-story townhomes still available. Now you're not gonna believe this, but this amazing master plan community has a garden. I see tomatoes, I see green peppers, some herbs. Check out this beautiful garden here for the entire community. Sweetwater Green, you're gonna have a lot of floor plans available. Number one, Sweetwater Green has the Club Series, which are two-story townhomes starting from $368,000. These are usually 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Now square footage from 1,597 square feet up to 1,829 square feet. Now number two, Fairway Series, which is starting from $423,000 townhomes. These are usually 3 to 4 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2,038 square feet up to 2,386 square feet homes. Number three, you're gonna have the Royal Series from $486,000. These are single family homes, 3 to 5 bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bedrooms, 1,749 square feet up to 2,352 square feet homes. Number four, the Legacy Series from $550,000. These are usually 4 to 5 bedroom, 2.5 to 4.5 bathroom, 2,479 square feet up to 3,252 square feet single family homes. And of course, you're gonna have the Ace Series from $489,000. These are usually 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,993 square feet up to 2,540 square feet single family homes. Now keep in mind, here in Sweetwater, they have a lot of homes available, single family, 2-story townhomes and 3-story townhomes. Right here is the model home from Meritage Homes. This floor plan right here, single family home. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, approximately 2,950 square feet. Now this is the Johnson's floor plan, which is one of the biggest floor plan that they have available here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Now let's go inside and check it out. amazing floor plan here in Sweetwater Green by Meritage Homes. 5 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, approximately 3,000 square feet. Now this is a gorgeous community. They're gonna have resort style amenities. I'm gonna go to the pool and show you the entire, the pool, the playground, everything that they have to offer in this amazing community. And as you see, they have so many homes available. Right now they might have single family homes, 8 to 12 homes remaining, but they're gonna build a lot. They're gonna have a lot of townhomes available. We're actually gonna go and see a beautiful townhome built by Meritage Homes in this gorgeous community. As you know, this community is gonna have more than 450 homes, townhomes, bungalows, single family. So a lot of variety here for Meritage Homes. Now, if you're interested to be in this gated community, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you call us so we can bring you here and show you, talk to the listing agent and show you everything that's available right now in Sweetwater Green by Meritage Homes. Now let's go and see a beautiful townhome. Here is the Jordan floor plan. This is a 3-story townhome by Meritage Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bedroom, approximately 2,300 square feet. Now let's go inside and check it out. This will be your basement practically. You have a bedroom here, a full bathroom, and access to the garage. So right here, this will be your bedroom with a full bed right next to, and right here, this is your 2-car garage. 2.5 actually, very beautiful. Now let's go upstairs. You saw the main floor where is the kitchen and the dining. Now let's go upstairs and see the bedrooms. this home right here. This is a different floor plan from Meritage Homes. This is a 2-story townhome. So this will be 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, approximately 1,829 square feet. Beautiful inside. Now let's go inside and check it out. You see here, they are the 3-story townhomes. On the other side, on the left side, they are the 2-story townhomes, and then the single family homes on that side. This is a gorgeous master plan community. Now comment below and let me know, are you ready to buy a 2-story townhome, a 3-story townhome, or a single family home here in Lawrenceville, Georgia? Now we hope this video was helpful. This is Livia Bika with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.